Good morning, it's Thursday, March 11th. You guys ready for your 10 minutes? Okay, great. We're gonna start off on the mat here. Grab a space in your home. And we're gonna start off with plank-to-pike. So I usually start off on all fours here. I'm gonna reach out the fingertips a little bit more, tuck the toes under, and pike up to the down dog. All right? Before we get going, let's just walk out the dog a little bit, okay? Whew. First thing in the morning today, it's gonna be really sunny and warm here in Boston. So I'm super psyched. I'm gonna try to carve out some time in the afternoon to get outside. All right, ready? Here we go. 1 minute, your inhale plank, exhale pike. Inhale plank, exhale pike. Breathing in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. So smelling the roses and blowing out the birthday candles. Nice big, be really dramatic. Squeeze your legs really tight, okay? Breathe in, looking ahead. Exhale, looking down. Inhale, exhale. Great job. Inhale, exhale. Nice and easy. No rush. You've got this going on for 1 minute. Just take your time. Try to think about all the good things going on today. 3 more, up and back. 2 more, looking straight, looking down. Last one, plank to pike. You're 1 minute in. Great job. Knees down, child's pose, and make a fist. All right, great. Next we have push-ups. So I'm going to recommend the grip is wide on the mat and you're on your knees. And you've got 1 minute. Ready? Here we go. It's about 30 of them, just so you know. 2, 3. Inhale, exhale, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. 8. Inhale, exhale, elbows out to the side, please. And that's your 1/3 of the way done. 11, 12. Bring your bum with you, looking out. 14, 15, halfway. 16, breathe in, breathe out. Woo, 18, 19, 20. Oh my God, you've got 10 more. Come on. Inhale, exhale, 9. Slow down a little bit if need to. 8, I need to. Inhale, exhale, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You can do it. I can do it. 2, and last one. Great job. Child's pose. Woo. Tuck the hands under. Okay, we're going to do a forearm side plank, right arm, and then left arm. Ready? All right. On the forearm, I like to stagger my stance. You can stack your feet, okay? Or you can actually just drop the bottom knee. That's totally fine too. Arm up. Ready? 1 minute. Whoo, I know. It's hard. You're doing great though. And it's only 10 minutes a day to keep the waistline at bay. That's a good one. I should start that hashtag for people over 40. Are you with me, people? Are you with me? Give me a comment, give me a like today. We're all in this together. I am sharing the core fitness love. Whew, because I just believe in it. I so believe in keeping fit, keeping strong. It helps to build immunity. It helps with your posture. It prevents injury from when you slip on the ice and fall. That's a whole other story. You got about 10 seconds. 9, squeeze your stomach, squeeze inner thighs. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down, switch sides. You know what to do. Left forearm, you pick your stance with the legs. Ready, set, go. Greg Gibson, go. I used to teach reformer like every day at like 6 in the morning. And Greg Gibson was the trainer in the next room. Nice guy, who's really, and I used to just overhear him tell the boot camp people, you know, go, go. It's fun, right? It's fun to have someone say, go, when you're an adult, because you're not used to it, right? Usually you hear that like in high school with a coach or something like that. He was actually a coach. All right, good. You're halfway through. Breathing, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. You can look down at the left arm if you'd like. Bring that right arm straight to the ceiling. Woo! You are building strength, squeezing legs, and you are staying fit and strong. It's super important, especially as we get older. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a break. Okay, now this next move is challenging. Really good for your posture. You might feel it the next day in a good way. It's a pike push-up. So you're here in your down dog, okay? And all you're gonna do is, it's important that elbows are out to the side. So just take your time. I'm watching the clock. You're gonna have 1 minute where you're gonna bend the elbows out. You're gonna hit your head on the mat and come up. You ready? All right, let's go. Down and up. 1 minute. Woo! You get a little break right after this off the hands, okay? Give it a shot. If you can't go all the way down, just go a little bit and up. But all the way down the way up is going to strengthen the rhomboids, which help keep your shoulder blades together behind you, woo, and away from any tight neck and shoulder pain, okay? We're going to stay out of pain as we get older. Really good idea to stay fit, to stay out of pain. If you've had pain in the back or neck or shoulders, you know what I'm talking about. Yes, you do. I had super bad hip pain. Whoops. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. For a long time, that's what brought me to Pilates. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Okay. Whew, that's a hard one. Good work. I'm sweating. Are you guys? All right, we're just going to go right to tabletop crunches, legs in tabletop, 90-degree angle. And you're going to curl. Let it go. Let it go. Curl and let it go. All right, now listen, when I say curl, I mean you're coming from the rib cage, okay? So hopefully you can see that I'm not tugging on my neck. Okay, everybody does that. Professional athletes do that. You do not have to do that. Save your neck, save your lower back. You're lifting your head, arms and shoulders off the mat with an exhale. 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 So it's like one big piece coming up. Ready? Let's do 10 more. 10, 9. So another really good cue is to like look at the ceiling, like the corner where the ceiling hits the top of this wall. Okay, so you're looking kind of beyond your knees. 5 more. 5. Just elbows stay wide. 4. Another good thing is to put a fist under your chin. 2. And last one. Okay, this one is called bend and stretch. Pretty simple. All right, maybe we can go this way, you can see it better. So you're gonna bend the knees in tabletop as you are. You keep your head down and you just stretch your legs to the diagonal. That's all it is. When you stretch, you're gonna hang on to your imprint. In other words, your lower back is nice and secure on the mat. Not pressing, not digging, just grounded, imprinted. Like if you were at the beach, you're lying down on the beach and your lower back's kind of gently imprinting into the sand. Okay, ready? 1 minute, inhale, bend, exhale, stretch. Good, now I'm not bringing my knees all the way in, right? Nope, just halfway to the diagonal. Bend, inhale, to the diagonal. So Pilates is all about just those exact little movements and adding the breath. Really, that's all it is. It's the essence of movement. So it's bend, inhale, exhale, and you're already halfway there. Can you believe it? Bend and stretch. Breathe in and breathe out. Smelling and blowing the birthday candles. Nice job. So you're going to start to feel this, especially in the lower abdominals, like below the belly button. And put your hand there, absolutely. I'm all about the touchy-feely. There's actually something to that, really. It's called proprioception, or you palpate something and then your mind goes there and then you strengthen it more effectively. Okay, one more. Woo! Bend the knees, take a little break. Okay, what have we got going on here? Bend and stretch. Reverse crunch. Okay, great. So you just, this one, right? Reverse crunch. And the goal is that your shoulders and your arms stay absolutely still. So do you want to be challenged? I don't know, do you? So if you want to be challenged, you're going to come your arms over your chest. And Pilates will say if when you move one part of the body and you keep the other part absolutely still, that is core strength. Okay? Now you've got about 45 more seconds here in reverse crunch land. And I'm just going to talk with you a little bit about preventing injury. Okay? So in your body, there are stabilizer muscles and mobilizer muscles. Okay, so some muscles stabilize, others mobilize, move. Hold still or move. And they all actually work in conjunction with one another every time you do like any movement with the body. Okay? 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we're gonna go to the roll up and then bridge. All right, come on, you're home free. So roll up, the arms and legs are long. Inhale, float arms over the chest. Exhale, you're gonna come all the way up. See that? And then you can actually take a little forward fold at the end or just arms up. Good, relax your shoulders. Pull your stomach in as hard as you can. And you're rolling down, carving out a C in the spine from your tailbone, lower back, all the way to the thoracic, the brow line, and back down to the shoulders. Okay, here we go. Inhale, pull your stomach in. Exhale, you're gonna scoop all the way up. You can give yourself a little momentum like I just did with my arms, no worries. Up, relax, hug it in, roll down. So anyways, the stabilizer and mobilizer muscles, okay? When you fall on the ice, your stabilizer muscles kick in first to protect the mobilizer before the mobilizers go on. So say you slip and fall on the ice, okay? Your core wants to kick on first before like the legs or the arms hit the floor, the pavement, the driveway, whatever. All right, so that's what you want. You want strong core stabilizer muscles so that you don't hurt yourself when you fall on the ice, because we all know we probably will fall on the ice, right? Okay, last one. And we're gonna end with the bridge. Bend the knees, feet hip distance apart, and then you're just gonna lift, whoops, I'm gonna move down a little bit, and you're just gonna lift up to the bridge. So again, when you start, bring your feet all the way into your fingertips are touching the heels, and you just lift up to the bridge. Okay, you have 1 minute, then you're done for the day. So anyway, the whole prevent injury thing in terms of like building core strength totally works. Oh my God, it's so true. So core strength is something that will what? It will protect your lower back. It will keep you out of pain. It will trim your waistline so you fit into your jeans better. Okay, that's what usually brings people in. But it's really all about like improving your posture and also preventing injury. And it's so important. Like if you get older and you fall and you tear your rotator cuff, like let me tell you, you're out. You have surgery and all that. You're out for about 9 months. 6 to 9 months, sometimes people have like that long of a recovery. So, I mean, I'm just saying, if you can strengthen your muscles and if you're in charge of it, right? Take charge, be strong. It's all about that. It's all about you taking care of yourself, okay? Keeping the peace in you. All right, 5 seconds, that's my slogan. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down, hug knees to chest. Rock a little left to right, sit up tall. You did a great job today, guys. Have an awesome Thursday.